In just a few months, this YouTube automation channel has already raked in millions of views and generates over $2,000 monthly in ad revenue. Each video on this channel can be produced in under 15 minutes thanks to AI tools. Here's a video I created in just 10 minutes.
When Marcus Aurelius woke each morning, he faced a daunting question. What will this day bring? In his mind, he would remind himself that he would encounter people who were meddling, ungrateful, and arrogant. But rather than letting that bring him down, he prepared himself with a powerful thought. How can I respond with patience and understanding? This practice of anticipating challenges is a cornerstone of Stoicism.
Before we get to the juicy stuff, I've put together a free PDF packed with all the prompts and steps you'll need to kickstart your own Faceless YouTube channel immediately. You can grab it from my free Telegram channel, just use the link below. In this video, we're breaking down everything step by step, from creating talking avatars to generating lifelike voiceovers and adding epic sound effects. So, stick around, because I'll also reveal a hidden pro tip that can help you reach a wider audience on YouTube. Let's dive in. Many YouTube channels will suggest using ChatGPT to write your script, but let me tell you, it doesn't always deliver the results you want. Stick with me until the end of this video, and I'll reveal a killer secret that nobody else is talking about: how to craft viral scripts using AI. Follow these steps, and you can ensure your videos won't get lost in the deep sea of YouTube. Now, here's the scoop. There's a tremendous opportunity in YouTube automation right now. Creators are making thousands of dollars every month by launching channels where they don't even need to be the face of the content. Today, I'm going to guide you through the process of setting up a faceless YouTube channel from the ground up, including the tools you'll use and the little-known strategies that top creators employ to gain views, earn money, and establish a nearly passive online business. The problem with most YouTube advice, it's often too vague, overly complicated, or omits crucial information. Yes, there are countless gurus claiming you can earn money without ever showing your face, but when you dig deeper, it often turns out to be fluff. They aren't providing the full picture. That's where this video comes into play. I'm here to cut through the noise and provide you with a step-by-step breakdown of the entire process. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to launch your own YouTube automation channel, from establishing your brand to creating videos, and even some insider tips to help you start earning before you hit that 1,000 subscriber mark. Alright, let's jump right in. Here's how we're going to do this. First things first, we need to create a YouTube channel. If you already have a Google account, you're halfway there. Simply head over to YouTube Studio, click on your profile icon, select Switch Account, and create a new channel. Now, choose a unique name that reflects your niche and resonates with your target audience. If you're feeling uncertain, here's a handy tip. Visit ChatGPT and ask it to generate a list of catchy names within your niche. Use the prompt in the PDF to generate a catchy name. Choose a name that speaks to you and don't stress about making it perfect. You can always tweak it later. Next, let's design a logo that visually embodies your brand. No need to be a design expert here. Just go to Canva, where you'll find free logo templates, and start experimenting. Alternatively, you can use an AI image generator like DupDub's AI image generator to add a unique touch. Ask ChatGPT for ideas on your logo's theme, perhaps something minimalistic that aligns with your channel's subject. Here's how I do it. Tell ChatGPT what your channel is about, like Stoicism. Ask for an image concept, such as a serene Stoic philosopher's profile with a calm, wise expression in black and white. Once you have the prompt, copy it over to DupDub's text-to-image tool and generate a few variations until you find one that resonates. Make sure to set the image size to a square, as this is the requirement for YouTube logos. By the way, DupDub has an amazing feature we'll be leveraging later, which will help set you apart from the competition. And the best part? You can access it for free. Alright, more on that later. Now, download the image, return to YouTube Studio, and upload it as your channel profile picture. Just like that, your brand is starting to take shape. Next up, a polished channel banner is essential for establishing a professional tone. Head back to Canva and select the YouTube banner template. Keep your design simple and clean. Aim for something visually appealing yet not overwhelming. Include your channel's name, perhaps a tagline, and a background that resonates with your niche. For our Stoicism niche, consider using calming colors like navy and gray. Once your banner is complete, upload it to YouTube, and your channel page will begin to look legitimate. The final step in setting up your YouTube channel is adding channel keywords. These keywords help the YouTube algorithm understand your target audience. For example, If you're creating a channel in the Stoic niche, these keywords will help guide the algorithm in reaching the right viewers, especially since you don't have any uploads yet. To do this, go to YouTube Studio, click on Settings at the bottom left, then select Channel. You'll see a box where you can enter keywords that describe your entire channel. To identify the best keywords, you can utilize tools like VidIQ, which helps pinpoint high-volume, low-competition keywords. Here's how it works. Head to VidIQ using the link in the description. Once logged in, click on the Keyword Research button. Since we're focusing on the Stoic niche, type Stoicism as your main keyword in the search box. You'll receive a list of keywords and want to focus on those with high search volume and ideally low competition. Sort by search volume to bring the most searched keywords to the top. You might find keywords like Stoicism philosophy and modern Stoicism. Copy these into your keywords box back on YouTube. Continue this process until you have a solid list of keywords for your channel. Now that your channel setup is complete, let's dive into creating our first video. We already have our niche established, but we still need an engaging topic. The right video topic can make the difference between 100 views and 1 million, regardless of your script, voiceover, or editing quality. Now, we're getting to the exciting part. You want your videos to be not only engaging and relevant to your audience, but also straightforward to produce. Start by researching successful channels within your niche. Look at their top-performing videos and pay attention to the themes, titles, and thumbnail styles. For this, you can utilize vidIQ's topic research feature. Just enter keywords that relate to your channel, like Stoicism, to uncover what's currently trending. This step is vital for pinpointing topics that are actively capturing viewer interest right now. For example, you might search for videos like Stoic morning routine. These types of topics tend to attract attention and often trend well. Jot down at least 10 to 15 video ideas, and don't worry if they resemble existing content. We're going to put your unique spin on them. In this case, let's go with how to start your day like Marcus Aurelius. With your ideas in hand, it's time to craft your scripts. While you could use ChatGPT for this task, keep in mind that its scripts can come off as generic and robotic. However, there's still a way to leverage it effectively, which we'll explore later. Many top creators turn to specialized AI tools like DupDub to generate human-like, engaging scripts that resonate with viewers. Go to DupDub using the link in the description and choose the AI writing option. Enter details about your topic and the tone you want to convey. After the script is generated, take some time to review it for a natural flow. Feel free to add your personal touch or make adjustments to align it with your style. Here is the killer feature from DupDub that I mentioned earlier. DupDub has an incredible AI transcription feature. Simply paste the link to a viral video in your niche, and DupDub will transcribe it for you. But remember, don't just copy the content. Use it as a base to craft your unique version with ChatGPT. This keeps your content original while tapping into concepts that audiences already love. Just use the prompt from the PDF to create the script. It's quite long, so you'll need to copy and paste it. Alright, let's get into the good stuff. Avatars are a game changer if you want unique professional videos without being on camera yourself. Here's a killer secret. Talking avatars can boost engagement on social media platforms by up to 80% because they instantly grab attention. First up, choose an avatar that aligns with your message. If you're creating content for a finance channel, go for a professional look. If it's for lifestyle or entertainment, pick something fun and relatable. DupDub has avatars across various styles, so take a moment to find one that truly speaks to your audience. Now, here's another pro tip. You can upload your own image to create a talking avatar. Once you've set up your avatar, hit preview. Watch how the avatar moves and speaks. Now that our avatar is ready, it's time to bring them to life with a voice. And here's a little known hack. DupDub's voiceover tool doesn't just save time, it gives you voices that sound so real that your audience won't even know it's AI. Head to the voiceover section and browse through DupDub's voice library. You'll find voices in multiple languages and accents, so pick one that aligns with your brand. For example, an American English accent might work well for a tech tutorial, while a British accent adds elegance to a luxury-themed video. I particularly like the new Cole Bennett voice, so I am going to use that one. Here's where the magic happens. DupDub lets you adjust the tone and speed, and even add emotion. For a tutorial, go with a friendly tone and medium speed. For storytelling, maybe slow things down and add a bit of warmth. You can even add a slight pause to emphasize key points. This helps keep your viewers' attention locked in. Pro tip: Try adjusting the tone to add a sense of urgency during call to action moments like, click the link below. You can also slightly adjust the speed. I found 1.15 to be a good sweet spot. It's a small tweak that can make a big difference in engagement. Okay, when you're done, hit export to download the voiceover. Visuals play a key role in keeping viewers engaged, especially on a faceless channel. To make your content truly immersive, aim for visuals that align perfectly with your topic. You can source stock images or video clips for this, but for a unique touch, consider generating custom visuals using AI. This approach allows you to create tailored visuals that bring your ideas to life and stand out from the crowd. Ask ChatGPT to generate a list of visuals for each section of your video. For instance, if your video covers Stoicism, like ours, request prompts that describe iconic philosophers or scenes representing themes like inner peace and resilience. With those prompts, let now start creating the video. Head over to DupDub's video editor. On the Images tab, choose AI image and paste the prompts. Set the image size to 16 by 9. To achieve a realistic effect, add ultra realistic at the end of each prompt. Now generate as many images as you need for your project. Once you've gathered all your assets, voiceover, AI avatar, visuals, music, and sound effects, you're ready to bring everything together into a compelling video. Importing all assets into DupDub's editing timeline. Lay down the voiceover first as the foundation of your timeline, then match the visuals to follow the narration. To achieve a video like the one I showed earlier, ensure that the talking avatar is above the other images and visual assets. Then go to basic settings and crop the avatar to reduce its size and remove any white background. On the same panel, select Mask and choose Ellipse to create that round shape on the talking avatar. Then set the feather option to around 87 to create some shadow effect around the talking avatar. Then drag the avatar to the bottom right of the screen. To keep the video engaging, try switching visuals every 2 to 3 seconds, as this quick pacing helps maintain viewer interest. Next, add transitions and effects to enhance flow and polish. Click the Transitions tab and you will find a variety of transitions such as fade and swap. Now, head over to the Audio section and you will find some free stock music. Import your chosen track and adjust the volume to ensure it complements rather than competes with the voiceover. Click the audio editor and set the background music to around 10% to provide a good balance, keeping the narration clear while enhancing the emotional tone. If the music is too long, use the cut tool on the time to cut, then delete the extra music. If it's too short, just copy and duplicate it several times. Next, head over to the Effects tab to add some effects. I particularly like the Fallen Stars effect. Simply add this effect to the timeline and extend it to cover the full length of the video. This detail can add a subtle, polished touch to your work. Add captions as a final step to improve accessibility and enhance the viewer experience. DupDub's auto caption feature makes this easy, syncing subtitles to the narration. You can customize the font, size, and color to match your brand's aesthetic. Head over to AI Labs and choose transcription under the AI for subtitles. DupDub's subtitle generator uses AI to automatically create captions based on your voiceover. This saves hours of manual typing and ensures that your message is accessible to everyone. Plus, subtitles are shown to increase video watch time by as much as 25%. Here is another secret. You can make your video accessible and global by adding translations. DupDub lets you translate your subtitles into multiple languages, allowing you to connect with viewers around the world. Just select the language you need, and DupDub does the rest. Pro tip: double-check translations, especially if your content has slang or regional terms. DupDub's translations are highly accurate, but a quick review can make sure everything sounds natural. To take it a step further, you can generate voiceovers in the translated language, making it even easier to reach non-English speaking audiences. This adds a personal touch and boosts engagement with your content. Almost there. Let's do a quick final review to make sure everything looks perfect. Go through your avatar's expressions, voiceover timing, sound effects, and subtitles one last time. Once you're happy with the final result, hit the export button. Now that your video is ready, it's time to share it with the world. Here's one last insider secret. Videos with avatars and subtitles often get more engagement on social media. Finally, upload the video to YouTube. Also remember to add timestamps to your video so viewers can navigate easily. You can do this by pasting the video link into Gemini and using the prompt in the free PDF to generate timestamps. That's just a little pro tip from me. Now, back to the video. We've covered the essentials, but here's a little-known strategy that can significantly increase your earnings from a faceless channel: diversification. Don't limit yourself to YouTube ad revenue alone. Explore additional income streams like affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, or selling digital products. This approach allows you to start generating income even before you reach 1,000 subscribers. For example, if your channel focuses on productivity, you could promote planners, time management apps, or online courses. When viewers see that you're offering genuine value, they're more likely to engage with your affiliate links or purchase your products. This way, you're not putting all your eggs in the YouTube ad revenue basket. And that's a wrap. You now have all the skills you need to create stunning, professional videos with DupDub. Click the link in the description to try DupDub for free. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit the notification bell for more content like this.